What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Bwear Bassin. We are on our way to Potholes right now. Me and my buddy Justin are heading out. We got the boat behind us. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it real big. I don't know what he's doing back there, but here he comes. What's up, brother? What up? We on our way to Potholes. We're gonna go catch him. We're gonna slay him. We're gonna fillet him. No, I'm just playing. But we are almost there. Just a little bit longer to go. Then we can get on him. So let's get to it. Let's finish this drive and catch us a giant. Alright boys, we made it to the lake. Oh, it looks sexy. So ready to get out here and catch some fish. I have a little trailer issue. Bigger than little, but I think we're gonna figure it out. We'll be here for a couple days, so hopefully we can figure that out real quick. Get us set up and back in order. But for now, we're going fishing. Got one. Nope, coming in. There we go. There we go. Enough, buddy. That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Heck yeah. First fish of the Potholes trip. Look at the mouth. He was right underneath that tree. Literally right underneath that tree over there. That's a good one. That is a good one. Heck yeah, guys. Little, probably 3-pounder or so. I gotta get back in there now. Let this bad boy go. Deuces. Yeah, I don't think grass is gonna pull my drag out like that. This wind is kind of warm. Mm-hmm.
I got a good hook set on this thing too.
I swung that motherfucker like I was ready to kill him.
Yeah, I thought for sure you had him.
Nope, that's my fault. 100% my mistake. Did you hit this tree yet?
Which one? I just got the that more than
Good grass around that tree.
Oh, there it is. figure out the stage in the front now, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yours looks like a stage in the house.
Mine was behind that grass.
So he was on the front of it?
Mm-hmm. All right, guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it's blowing. We got like, I don't know, 6 foot rollers, 7 foot rollers on the lake. Oh my goodness, I'm real tired. I can't speak anymore. We've been up since 2 o'clock in the morning driving here, taking care of other stuff. Had trailer issues, pain in the butt, but gotta take care of what you gotta take care of. It felt good to catch one though. We know what they're doing now. We went and talked to a little local and figured it out. So hopefully tomorrow we can target these fish a little bit better, get on top of them. Hold on, gotta get my key in the door. Come on, key. There we go. But from there we're gonna see if we can get anything else. This little room is jank, see guys? Little janksers. Little janksers. But yeah, we're gonna try to get out here tomorrow, get on some fish. Right now, like I said, I'm gonna try to catch some Z's and charge some batteries and edit in the morning, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I am Bwear Bassin. This is day 1 of Potholes Reservoir. Hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I'll see you tomorrow.